Namo Namah Chhatraha. Welcome you all to Girvanwani. Myself Anupama teacher, and today we are learning the lesson 12th lesson Adi Shankaracharya. So here one incident from the life of the Guru Shankaracharya, Adi Shankaracharya is narrated here. So let's study this lesson. भारतदेशे दीर्घा आचार्य परंपरा वर्तते. There has been a long acharya tradition in India. तस्याम् अद्वैतसिद्धान्तस्य भाष्यकारः जगद्गुरुः आदिशङ्कराचार्यः प्रसिद्धः. So among these acharyas, भाष्यकार means was who made commentaries. So Jagadguru means Guru of the whole world. Adi Shankaracharya is famous. He made commentary on the principle of ultimate truth, that is Advaita. महान् तत्त्वज्ञः अयं जनप्रबोधनार्थं भारतभ्रमणं कृत्वा भारतस्य चतुस्रुषु दिक्षु पीठानि अस्थापयत्. He who was a great philosopher wandered all over the India to educate people. Janaprabodhanartha means to impart education or knowledge to the people. So executing that tour of India, he established, asthapayat means established the pithas. Pithas means mathas in Chatusrushu Dikshu, that means in the four direction of India. तेन रचितानि गेयानि अर्थपूर्णानि स्तोत्राणि अद्यापि जनानां मुखेषु विराजन्ते. The melodious and meaningful verses composed by him excel in the mouth of people even today. Means these are chanted even nowadays by people. For example, Kanakadara Stotra, Bhaja Govinda, etc. तस्य जीवनचरित्रात् महत्वपूर्णौ द्वौ प्रसंगौ अत्र उद्धृतौ. Means two incidents from his life sketch are explained here. The first incident is here given here. Sanyasartham anumatihi prapta. Got the permission for renunciation. How he got that? That is explained here. Let us see. भारतस्य दक्षिणदिशि केरलप्रदेशे आलुवानगरस्य समीपं कालडी नाम ग्रामः. पहा. In the southern direction of India, in Kerala region, near the town Aluva, there is a village named Kaladi. Sah Gramah Purna Nadi Tire Vartate. That village is located on the banks of river Purna. Tatra Jagadguroho Shankaracharyasya Janma Kristabde Ashtame Shatake Abhavat. There the birth of the preceptor of the world, Adi Shankaracharya, took place in the 8th century AD. Means he was born in the 8th century AD. Tasya pita Shivaguru, Mata Aryamba Chastam. His father was Shivaguru and Aryamba was his mother. Balye eva tasya pita Shivaguruhu divangatah. In his childhood only, his father Shivaguru passed away. Tasmad mataiva putrasya palanam akaru. Therefore, his mother only carried the nurturing of the son. Panchame Vayasi. See, Vayasi means at the age of 5 only. This is Saptami form of Vayasa. At the age of 5, Upanitah Saha. Upanitah means जिसका उपनयन हुआ है. That means whose thread ceremony is completed. Pathanartham Gurum Upagachata. Means he approached preceptor for further studies. Tatra Veda Vedangani Vividha Shastrani cha Sadharana Vegena Balako Ayam Adhitavan. There this boy studied Veda Vedanga and also various scriptures with very extraordinary speed. That means he was so sharp that he exceptionally with great speed he learned all the scriptures which were at that time. पठनादिकम समाप्य इथे लबंतव्य आलेला आहे. समाप्त करून किंवा आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ऑल हिज स्टडीज शंकरः गृहं प्रत्यागतवान्. Shankar returned to his home after finishing his studies. प्राप्य Now this is also one more Labanta Avyay. A question may be asked that Labanta Avyaya or Purva Kalvachaka Avyaya Chinuta. At that time you can say that Samapya, Prapya, these are all Labanta Avyayas. Matrusevam Arabhata cha. Having reached home, he started serving his mother. So for so many years he was away from his mother. So this was his ritual now to serve his mother. Mata Aryamba putrasya vivaha vishaye sadaiva chintayati sma. Mother Aryamba used to worry always regarding her son's marriage. Chintayati sma. This is called as sma bhutkal, or this is habitual past tense. She always used to worry regarding that. So this is called as past tense. Nasa vachasa karmana. These are tritiya forms. Question may be asked, rewrite tritiyanta padani. So at that time you can write these manasa vachasa karmana. These are all tritiya forms. वचसा कर्मणा विरक्तः शंकरः संन्यासार्थम अनुमतिं प्रार्थयत. That means Shankar, who was detached by mind, speech and also actions, requested for the permission, consent for renunciation. शंकरस्य ऐहिकविषयेषु अरुचिं दृष्ट्वा आर्याम्बा चिन्तामग्ना जाता. Aryamba was distressed, means lost in sad thoughts, seeing the disinterest of Shankara regarding the worldly pleasures or this material gains. She got worried. See here, one more Tvanta Avyay is there. Drushtva means seeing. Ekasmin dine Shankarah snanartham Purna nadim gatah. One day, Shankar went to the river Purna to take a bath. Yada sah snane magnah. When he was busy in taking a bath, tada tatra ekah nakrah agatah. Agatah means came. Agatah means past passive participle of a plus gama. Suddenly a crocodile came there while he was taking a bath. Nakrah jhatiti tasya padam agrunnat. The crocodile swiftly caught his leg. Tada Shankarah uchchaihi akroshat. Shankar screamed loudly at a time. Amba म्हणजे आई. त्रायस्व म्हणजे मला वाचव. Amba means mother and Trayasva means oh mother, please save me. Thus he Akrosham Shrutva. See, Shrutva, one more Tvanta is here. Nadi Tiram Prapta. See, now here Prapta is again one more past passive participle. So, Nadi, who has reached that shore. Prapta means who has reached on the bank of the river, other bank, that Aryamba. This way, here it is said. Putram nakrena gruhitam apashyat. Saw her son caught by the crocodile. Bhayakulasa apirodanam arabhata. Perplexed with fear, even she started crying, seeing her son caught by crocodile. Shankarah mataram artataya prarthayat. And at the same time, Shankar started requesting his mother intensely with pain. Amba, हे आई, इतः परम aham na jivami. Henceforth, I shall not live, O mother. Maranat purvam sannyasi bhavitum ichchami. I wish to become a saint or monk before I die. So, adhuna va dehi anumatim. Now at least please give me permission. जे आता तरी मला अनुमती दे संन्यास घेण्यासाठी. दिस वे. चेतसा अनिच्छन्ती अपि विवशा माता अवदत. आता चेतसा म्हणजे मनाने. अनिच्छन्ती म्हणजे इच्छा नसताना किंवा मनातून नाखुश असलेली. दो अनविलिंग बाय माइंड, द हेल्पलेस मदर then said as a response to her son, वत्स यथा तुभ्यम रोचते तथैव भवतु. O son, whatever you wish, let it be so. रोचते means as you like. इदानीमेव संन्यासं स्वीकुरु. इदानीं means now only. Accept renunciation now only. Mama anumatihi asti. I gave you permission to do so. Thus, she gave her consent. Tat kshanameva ashcharyam ghatitam. At that moment only, a miracle occurred. Daivavashat Shankarah nakrad muktah. By God's grace, or luckily, Shankar was freed from the crocodile. Means crocodile left his leg. Saha nadi tiram agatya matuh charanau pranamata. Coming to the bank of the river, he bowed down to the mother's feet. Anantaram Shankarah Mataram Sannyasasya Mahatvam Avabodhayat. After that, Shankar made realize mother the importance of renunciation. Avabodhayat means explained. Sannyasi na kevalam ekasyaha putraha. A monk is not a son of a lady alone. Vishalam jagat eva tasya gruham. This big world itself is his home. This whole world is his home. Matah yada tvam smarishyasi tada eva त्वत् समीपम agamishyami iti matre pratushrutya सह गृहात् निरगच्छत्. Mother, whenever you will remember me, at the same time, I will surely come to see you, come to meet you. Having assured this to the mother, he left his home. He consoled her this way. Iti matre pratishrutya. Having assured his mother this way, saha gruhat niragachat. He left his home. Tatah Govinda Bhagavad Padanam Shishyah Bhutva Saha Sarvani Darshanani Apathat. Then he learnt all darshans, that is philosophical perceptions, by becoming the disciple of Govind Bhagavad Pad. He became the disciple of Govind Bhagavad Pad. तेभ्यः संन्यास दीक्षां गृहीत्वा वैदिक धर्मस्य स्थापनार्थं प्रस्थानम् अकरोत्. He proceeded further to establish Vedic dharma after receiving an initiation, that is diksha or sannyas from him to become a monk. So he became sannyasi, that means a detached saint. In this way, this important incident from his life is narrated here, and I hope you understood this very well. If you like the video, please share among your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this. Thanks for watching.